Show some fucking appreciation.
Bitch, stop playing with Sonny. I will.
Bang Bros is trying to recruit Iggy Azalea.
What?
Yeah, like recruit, like as a porn star. Swear to God, if they recruit her, I'm buying an Oculus Rift. Like fuck no, that November. I already failed that shit. I wook up at 12 in the morning, came at
How am I passing and you guys all failed
out of spite. And then I came 5 more times that same day.
This is the gayest orgy I've ever fucking seen.
Motherfucker! Yeah! That fucker is on the roof?
What?
I saw you look up, he's on the fucking roof!
No, he's not.
Fucker, why would you look up and tuck at the roof?
He just went around, dumbass. You want to bet?
I hear him moving!
You want to bet?
I just heard him!
Bet?
I just heard him!
You want to bet? The fuck are you doing there?
I fucking hear it out there! I'm taking a shit in there. If Dad has a boner, he has to hold the shit down. I had a massive boner. I hate shitting with a boner.
Did you shit with a boner?
Yes, I did that shit with a boner. Fuck! I'm not trying to go deaf.
No lie, I bought 3 during summer school and we all went off.
Bitch! Just react like it's fucking. Ah, no.
Yeah, I know, my ears hurt.
Congratulations, you triggered a Vietnam flashback. Your parents bed at night.
I thought it was wet for a second.
Hey! Oh, wait!
You fucking bitch.
Vietnam.
That shit actually does dead ass hurt my ears.
Who the fuck is addicted to Uber?
No, I'm not.
He's ready now.
My left ear is dead.
Okay? Expect bleeding soon.
Having to constant.
Who better, you better. Been around like hella propellers. Wanna know who you with? Don't tell them. Come on, fellas, that ain't none of your biz. Got on your bodysuit, you know I'm on your ass today. Would you let me hit it thrice if I asked today? She know my stick nothing but magic, babe. I be swinging it back and forth to you in your casket, babe. Girl, you on my best side.